In today's video, we are going to be doing sublimation on these Dollar Tree frames. If you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into the video. For this project, you're going to need some laminate sheets. This is a great project to use your scrap laminate. I have some of my scrap pieces here. You're going to need your Dollar Tree metal frames. I have these rectangle ones with the little picture on this side. And then I also have this square one. Both of these have a slot where you can slide the picture in through the back and a hook so that you can hook them onto like a nail or something like that. You will also need your design. I have 3 different designs. I chose to do a sweet little message on the right side, and then this is where the photo. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put our design to the side. We don't need that just quite yet. So we're gonna take the little picture out of the frames, take our laminate, and we're gonna wipe our hand across it to make sure there's no dust on it. So we're gonna, just like that, we're also gonna make sure there's nothing on our frames. And I'm just gonna go like that, put it to the side. We're gonna do the same for all 3. So now we're gonna move to our heat press to press on the laminate. Okay, we're gonna take our design and we're gonna take our metal and we're just gonna place it. It's easiest to face your design up and put your metal down so you kind of know where it ends and stuff. So once you have it where you want it, you're gonna take your heat tape and you're gonna tape it into place. Okay, so now we're gonna take it to our heat press to press the design. I have my crafts paper, I have my design. I'm going to pin it down and fold my crafts paper over it, and I'm gonna press at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. So be careful, it's really hot. So we're gonna grab it, I'm gonna pull our design in one swift motion. Okay, so my thing, it's still kind of hot, but I'm gonna take my True Control knife. It's still kind of hot, but I'm gonna take my True Control knife and I'm gonna cut out this circle right here so that I can be able to put a picture through. So you wanna make sure that you're as close to the shape as possible. So you're gonna just pull that laminate up. Then you're gonna go back in. And you're gonna cut anything that needs to be cut. And then you're gonna take, it's cool now. So then you're gonna take your photo and you're gonna just slide it in through the back like this. I love how this turned out. When you're doing these, you definitely need to choose like darker, more vibrant colors so that they can show very nicely like that. Like look at those colors. These colors are nice too, but they're just not as vibrant, only like, you know, the darker colors. So keep that in mind, but these are great Christmas gifts, just great to add to Christmas gifts. I'm going to be adding these to some of my Christmas gifts. So let me know down below if you try these. Let me know if you find them. I've only been able to find them one time. I will try to link them. I will try to link them down below. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.